Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I'm going to take a quick look at the 990 V5 by New Balance. These released here in the UK in May 2019 and comes in a grey Made in USA box. At the side of the lid it says Made in USA for over 75 years. Open up the box, you get the shoes wrapped in white Made branded wrapping paper, as well as a Made in USA tag attached. Extra laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box anyway, so let's get right into the shoes. Along with the shoes, I also managed to pick up a cool t-shirt that explains the 990 history at the New Balance flagship store in London, Oxford Street. The 990 series started back in 1982 and it was the first shoe to break the $100 price point. This is due to its superior technology, materials, as well as being made in USA. It featured a clean design that focused on three main pillars: stability, cushioning, and flexibility. The 990 V2 followed in 1998, then came the V3 in 2012 to mark the 30th anniversary. Afterwards was the 990 V4 in 2016. Now in 2019 marks the release of these, the New Balance 990 V5. So you might be asking yourself, what's changed since the 990 V3 and 4? Aesthetically, the 990 V5 feels more stripped down compared to the 990 V4, with a less contoured dimpled midsole and a clean up toe box design without any of the signature suede overlays. The same goes with the heel counter, featuring this new double V branding that symbolizes the V, as well as a Roman numeral V that stands for 5, so V5. The 990 wings do stay on this shoe, but this time it's only just on the lateral side. But when you move to the medial side, the shoe remains the same, but the midsole tends to be a little bit more contoured, especially towards the heel. As well as aesthetics, there were some subtle performance upgrades too, like the tongue has increased padding and length for improved comfort. It includes an MB branded ultra soft foam ultralight insoles, as well as a translucent thermoplastic rubber overlays that acts as a stability cage around the ankle. The classic N logo remains, but slightly smaller, that sits on both sides of the mid panel, as well as some of the nice reflective 3M details that can be seen at the toe and heel. One thing I like about New Balance running as well as the 990 series is that it often gives you a wide foot option. I chose the 2E wide and I recommend doing that if you have slightly wider feet, but sizing wise I'll stay true to size, and if you have wide feet, go for the wider option, but honestly the regular fit is fairly wide foot friendly as well. Performance wise, I'm just going to get right into it. This is probably the most comfortable shoe I own. The last time this title was held was the 990 V3 from 2015. Yeah, shameless plug, you might want to check out that video. But back to its comfort, I know comforts can be subjective, but if you're looking for something that balances the three pillars, cushioning, flexibility and stability, you look no further than the 990 series. The construction, materials feel premium, but sadly that's also moved on to the premium price. Although I personally prefer the looks of the 990 V3, the 990 V5 has a very clean design and most importantly, zero gimmicks. So here are my thoughts on the shoe. Did any of you manage to pick these up? Will you pass? And let me know what I should cover next in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment grey to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual all 11 links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.